Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we're camping in a parking lot this weekend.
We are RV-owing, if you want to call it that, RV overnights.
It's like Harvest Host.
Yeah. But we decided to come out here, take a weekend for ourselves, and we're checking this out. We're here for one night here and then heading on to another place tomorrow.
We're at Muffleheads Brewery in Wakeman, Ohio.
There it is back there.
There it is.
There it is. Looks like it's going to be a really fun place. Very excited.
There's some live entertainment tonight.
They got, looks like all kinds of games going on over there. A couple fire pits.
Yeah.
Several bar areas, or areas for seating. It just looks like it's going to be a really fun place. So we're excited.
And perfect weather. Again.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, because there's no hookups here. So
yeah.
I brought the generator, but I don't think I'm going to even need it.
Hopefully not. Hopefully we'll be good with solar.
It'll be cool tonight, so we'll just use the fan. We don't have much power consumption as it is, but I do have a little bit of solar panel, as you can see up there on the roof. And then we'll be here tonight. Tomorrow we're on to another place, maybe 10 minutes from here, if that. Yeah. An orchard, so yeah. Stay tuned for that one.
I can't remember the name, so we'll tell you later.
It'll be a surprise.
Yeah.
You gotta watch the video to see.
Yeah. So this is Muffleheads. Muffleheads Brewery.
Yes.
So I had one question. What is a mufflehead? Anybody know?
Their mascot on the sign is an alien.
I don't think it's an alien. I don't know. It's something weird. Some weird bug.
Well, if it's not an alien, then it must be a mufflehead. Whatever the hell that is. I don't know.
I did Google it, so stay tuned to find out. We'll catch up with you in a little bit.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
We could go for a long drive, find out where when we arrive. We could dance when we get there, put some flowers in our hair, leave the city behind, cleaner air and a clear mind, rolling round in the long grass. We won't notice the time pass. Let's get carried away for a while, and we'll stop worrying what the others will say. We don't know them anyway. I'm good living a dream. If you're there, we don't need anyone else. Just follow the gleam in your eyes. Oh, 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 oh. Time to get out in the sunshine, and we only get one chance. No rehearsal for this dance, no more gossip and grapevines, no more small talk and deadlines. Yeah, my heart wants to be free. Tell me you're coming with me. Let's get carried away for a while. We'll stop worrying what the shadows will say. We don't know them anyway. I'm good living a dream. If you're there, we don't need anything else. Just follow the gleam in your eyes. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Find out where when we arrive. We could dance when we get there.
Alright guys, so we enjoyed our time in Muffleheads, and now we're on to stop number 2, Burnham Orchards in Berlin Heights, Ohio.
And Farm Market.
And Farm Market and Cider House.
And Grandma V's Bakery.
Yeah.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you
So at the suggestion of the young lady at Burnham Orchards, we are here at Quarry Hill Winery, where apparently they use some of the fruit from the orchard to make some of their local wines here. So let's go check it out.
But I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me, and I let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you.
I'm a shy deer in the headlights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like it's like a riptide on the inside. Keep it together, man, you could drown in those blue eyes. She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I reply, you can't take me high.
All right, so we stopped here at the Wakeman Elevator Craft Beer and Wine Bar. Not really sure a whole lot about this building. We saw it on Google Maps. Looked pretty cool in the pictures, so we're going to go inside, maybe see if we can find a little history about this place.
I just wanna keep this feeling. You can't take me. Baby, you can take me. It's a small world in a big town. What are the odds I get to talk to you right now? Yeah. Give me bad lines, give me butterflies, give me anything, 'cause I'm down for you right now. Yeah. I said, hey you, if I'm being honest, I've been stalking you a bit, hoping you'd see me, and maybe you wanted to give this one a try and take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I'd go anywhere if you'd be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. 'Cause you can't take me. Yeah. You can't take me. You can't take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I'll go anywhere if you'd be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling.
Weekend was definitely a nice change of pace, a little something different.
Yeah, it sure was. I think I'm gonna love this whole RV overnights. Harvest Host does the same thing where we did RV overnights.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a great weekend. We had a lot of fun enjoying a couple breweries. So we spent the first night at Muffleheads.
Which is not an alien.
Did you figure out what a Mufflehead is? It's a nickname for the midgies. And they definitely are all around. But they don't bite. I did learn that. They don't bite. They're just a little obnoxious. So
Yeah.
So one night there, we actually ended up going back for dinner and hang out, see the
Yeah.
band the second on Saturday night last
Yeah.
night too.
Yeah. So the first night when we were there, they actually had a guy playing guitar
Yeah.
and that, and they brought in a food truck.
Yeah.
Which
That was good.
Really good. It was like mac and cheese bowls.
Yeah, pulled pork, barbecue,
smoked pork,
smoked pork, yeah.
And then the second night they had a band playing, and they had their food truck, which is always there.
2 dogs.
And that was really good for burger and wings and
Yeah, burger was excellent.
Yeah. Just a nice place though.
It was. It's cool. Fun family place. You could take the kids, lots of things for the kids to do. Games, just different sections, areas around, different fire pits. It was a neat place.
Yeah.
I liked it. I definitely go back there.
And good beers.
Yeah, very good beer.
Yeah.
And we checked out, bummed around a little bit yesterday. We came over here, which is where we're at Burnham.
Orchard.
I can't say
Burnham
it.
Orchard.
In Berlin Heights.
Yeah.
They have
stayed in a grass field across the road there, so we're the only ones there.
yeah. It's kind of, I think, their parking area.
Overflow. Yeah.
It's a little noisy. There's kind of a busy road here. Not terrible, but it's there's some traffic.
I slept through it.
I don't sleep, so 2 o'clock in the morning, some cars going by.
Yeah.
But that's okay. It was still a good place to explore here. They do have peach picking right now, and apple picking coming up here shortly in the fall. Beautiful inside.
Big store.
Big store, the bakery, the cidery.
Cider house.
Red-headed cider house.
Yeah,
it was fun. We spent some time here.
We did a flight of ciders, and actually got some to go to.
Yeah, that was
we
really
like.
good. Yeah. What else did we do yesterday? Then we bummed around some yesterday.
Yeah, we went to Quarry Hill Winery.
Yeah.
Had some. Well, you got a flight, and I got a wine slushy. It was pretty good.
That was good. Some good wines. I guess they used some of the fruits from this orchard here, Burnham's, in some of their wines. So that was really good. But they do have their own orchard and store and all that. So we went and checked that out. That was a really cool place too. Lots of goodies, lots of food. The peaches. The owner there was slicing up peaches, and they were so good. Yeah. There was a chicken running around.
You got an apple fritter.
The biggest apple fritter I've ever seen in my life. It was bigger than my head. And I'd have to say it was probably the best one too. It was so good. What else did we hit up?
The Wakeman elevator bar and grill.
Bar and grill, I think. Yeah.
Or craft beer and wine. That's what it was. That was a really cool looking place. Yeah. On the outside and inside, it was
antiques and
used to be a railroad that went right by there. They built this grain elevator back in the 1800s, and it was repurposed for something else in the 1900s. I don't remember which.
A lot of history.
Yeah, and then it was turned into this place. Which is when they had a band and stuff going on, but obviously you can't be in 2 places at once.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
Went back to Muffleheads for dinner.
Yeah.
And the band, and we had a couple of surprise visitors.
Yeah. Thanks, Kim and Christine. Good to see you guys. Yeah, that's another place that I would definitely go back to. All of these places, they're all kind of within 10 minutes of each other, so it's not bad driving at all. Just to kind of bop around and check out what's in the area. Yeah.
And and everybody here has been so nice. Every place we've gone to.
And they're all recommending the other places, and good people in the area.
So.
Did we miss anything? Are there any other places that we hit?
Not that I can think of.
There's a bee on my watch.
Oh
yeah. Okay. He flew away.
But anyway, it was a good time, and you know what? This area is close enough to home for us that we could come out just for the day if we wanted.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
Probably will. Maybe
lots of festivals. Yeah, festivals going on, fall festivals and stuff. So I wouldn't mind coming here. Yeah, for sure.
We'll be back.
That's for sure. That lady just went by my. Do you see it? By my ear.
It's gone.
Good. I'm trying to ignore it. I don't know. Anything else?
Nope. I can go back and spend a little more money in the store here and get some goodies to take home. And
peaches and apples and do some baking and apple pies. Anything else?
Nope.
I don't think so.
Nope.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you next time. Keep it safe in your travels, as always.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.